Shout out Dwayne Michael Carter F. Jr. And the F is for phenomenal. What's going on, everybody? My name is John. You're watching Solepost, and this is another Solepost unboxing. Today we take a look at the Jordan 3 Katrina, or Jordan 3 Hall of Fame. Now, this shoe was originally a charity-only pair released back in 2006, and the charity went to benefit Hurricane Katrina victims. Katrina doesn't seem that long ago, but it was almost 12 years ago, which is crazy. And, for a long time, this was, just exclusively a charity pair, with rumors of the shoe coming out as far back as like 2013. Like, it seemed like every year we were getting rumors of the Katrina pair coming out. And now in 2018, we're finally getting the pair to release. Let's take a look at the box. The box is the standard Jordan 3 box with the Jumpman on the top and on the side. The color code for the shoe is white, fire red, and cement gray. Now let's take a look at the shoe. The shoe is reminiscent of the cement gray pair. And the appeal of the shoe basically was that it had the fire red midsole, the white to fire red midsole. And that was kind of where everybody was like really hyped out about it. Also because it was an auction only pair. The shoe has a white tumble leather upper with the white leather and the cement gray elephant print going around the toe. On the tongue, you've got the perforated tongue with the white laces and the red Jumpman logo. Also, you've got the red eye stays at the end of the tongue. You've got a red insole with the white Jumpman logo. Getting into the lateral, you've got the perforated panel right here. It's also in white with white eye stays. Also, you've got black eyelets right at the ankle. On the heel now, you've got the elephant print, which wraps around from the lateral to the medial, and you've got the white back tab with the black Jordan Air logo. You've also got the white perforated leather right by the heel. On the medial, you've got the cement gray elephant print. Also, you've got the tumble leather and the black eye stays. The panel, it's exactly the same as the lateral. You have a white and fire red midsole with the semi-exposed air unit, and also you've got the gray and fire red outsole with the Jordan logo in red. The shoe is basically a cement gray 3 pair, which you can't really go wrong with. I do like the additional touches of the fire red though. It's a dope colorway, to be honest. This shoe has had people clamoring for it to release for years now. What I think is probably gonna happen is this shoe is probably gonna be like the Motorsport 4, where a lot of people think it's gonna be a lot more limited than it actually is. I don't think it's gonna sit as long as the Motorsports pair is, simply because this is essentially a cement 3. Like, if you really wanted to strip the paint and paint this black, you got a cement 3. But I don't think that it's gonna be as crazy limited as a lot of people think it's gonna be. But I can be wrong, and I have been wrong before. So, I guess time will tell. Now let's get some detailed looks of the shoe, and I'll catch you after the jump. Jordan 3 Katrina or Hall of Fame hits Nike retailers and Nike.com on May 12th for a retail price of $190.
Alright everyone, this has been another Solepost unboxing. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell icon so you're kept up with everything we do on the Solepost channel. Check out solepost.com for more news, sneaker releases, and sneaker info. Also, you can follow us on social media here.
I'm John from Solepost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.